Well, hello. Oh my goodness. So, thanks for joining me on this wet, damp day. No views going to be had today. But I wanted to tell you that last night I stayed in Franklin at the Hilltop Inn. You know, pretty basic, but close to town, close to everything, so it's a good place. And then this morning I was going to take the early shuttle out to the trail and start hiking, but two other hikers that I met yesterday were going to take the late shuttle at 3 o'clock and kind of wait for the rain to burn off a little bit. It really hasn't, but and then come up and go to the first shelter, which is the Siler Bald shelter, and it's roughly 4 or 5 miles in. And then tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny, but it was a chance to kind of rest a little bit more and eat a good breakfast, brunch type meal. And then we went to Outdoor 76, and they have a hiker lounge in the basement. So we just sat there until 3 o'clock, then got on the bus and came up to the Gap. And all this rain is supposed to burn off by 7 o'clock. I don't know what time it is now, but it's a pretty good day. I feel really good, even with the rain. Going up the hills is a little bit easier, and there's some straightaways here. But I'm not going to keep the phone out for very long because I don't want to ruin it. So let me show you some parts of the soggy trail, and then I'm going to put you away. And then if it's not too much rain going on this evening, I'll do a wrap up later. I'll see y'all later. All right, let me show you some of this trail here. Walking in the rain isn't that bad. It's, kind of cool. It cools you off when you're hiking up some hills and stuff. I don't mind it. What I do mind with the rain is when it gets my stuff all wet and comes in through my tent. I did make some adjustments this morning to it, so it pulls the sides closer to the ground so less water comes in. So I'm going to see if that works. Tomorrow is supposed to be a sunny day, so even if I'm going to think positively. It's going to work. And maybe I'll sleep in the shelter for the first time ever. But we will see. But the rain is starting to go away. I can see it starting to clear up. don't know if I want to sleep in a shelter. I mean, I've done it before. I've slept in a shelter before. And it definitely makes things easier packing up in the morning, but there's lots of mice. I do toss and turn all night, and I do snore, so I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. So I think it's going to be 3 full days on the trail, and toward the end of the 3rd day is when we'll get into the knock. Oh my God, it's crazy to believe that I'm almost to the knock. That's crazy to me. And then I go to Fontana, and the hike out of the knock is supposed to be a tough one in the morning, or any time that you make that hike up, but it's supposed to be tough climbing out of the knock. But it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Alright, I'm gonna put the phone away because I don't want to ruin my phone for later and the rest of this trip. So I will see you all later. Bye.